Residual income is possible with affiliate marketing. If you are a business owner or potential business owner with a relatively good network of contacts, you may benefit from affiliate marketing. The concept of people working together to maximize cash flow across multiple platforms can be a wise choice. This video provides tips and advice for those interested in affiliate marketing. Don't get lazy about taking advantage of new programs and trends. Check and see the latest updates of your affiliate programs. There are new ads and tools constantly being added to increase usability and visual appeals. Even small changes like keeping your site trendy can have a large effect on your readers. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a website with significant numbers of visitors every day. Offering coupons can be an effective tool to attract more and more customers. It is even better if you can offer a variety of coupons redeemable on your merchant's site, as this practice can increase your income significantly without any major investment. Be sure to pick a niche that you really want to sell in a market that is not too big. Look for something to sell that is really needed by a small group of people. When you begin with this approach, you already have a market, so you won't have to drum up business. Just convince the existing market that your version of the product or service is the best one. Up the ante with vivid adjectives and descriptions in your product descriptions, email messages, and site content. This creates a more cohesive image of your brand and can be used to draw a visitor into the overall atmosphere that you've created to sell your product or service. Would you want to buy a 12-ounce chocolate bar or a luscious, creamy milk chocolate bar with hints of Madagascar vanilla and rich, spicy cinnamon? A great affiliate marketing tip is to try to promote a product before it's even launched. Some companies will work with you to provide you with materials that can help you sell their product before they launch it. This can be a great way to generate interest from your customers. If your goals in affiliate marketing include enormous profits, do not think you will make the big bucks working alone in your spare bedroom. It is not easy to make a fortune through affiliate marketing, but it is not impossible, either. To develop such big business, though, you must go into business professionally. That means employees and offices and consultants and all the headaches they bring. Check the conversion rate of customers that turn into sales before you commit to an affiliate program. Your time will otherwise be wasted on directing customers to their site. Check their website to see if it would make you want to buy something. If not, you may want to continue to look for another program. Affiliate marketing is a reasonable approach because there is very little risk to either party. With the advice in this video, you should be ready to try your hand at a bit of affiliate marketing and bring in some extra cash. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.